This is Sage for Kalkine Media. Thanks for joining us for this US trending news topic, and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to be notified for the latest videos. Is Bitcoin on the path to becoming mainstream? Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, extended gains on Tuesday as investors took opportunities of the last week's dip in prices to pile up their digital currency assets. And the price of Bitcoin climbed as high as US $55,514. The market capitalization of the world's largest cryptocurrency surged to reclaim the US $1 trillion mark after almost a week and stood at US $1.03 trillion. According to CoinDesk, the rise in the crypto price was also fueled by news that JP Morgan Chase is planning to introduce an actively managed Bitcoin fund for some of its customers by this summer. And meanwhile, other major cryptocurrencies were also in the green, with Ethereum hitting record highs. Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization, hit an all-time high of US $2,698.24 and was last up 7% at $2,690, back of reports indicating that European Investment Bank is mooting to introduce a digital bond sale on the Ethereum blockchain network. Among others, Uniswap's price was up 8.56% to trade at US $41.38, while Dogecoin, a meme-based cryptocurrency, was quoting at US $0.272, up by 1.67%. And last week, Bitcoin price had plummeted to a 48-day low of $49,079.77 as investors' sentiment was spooked by the report that US President Joe Biden's administration was mulling to raise capital gains tax on wealthy Americans. The tax scare did not turn wealthy Bitcoin investors jittery, but also other major digital currencies, Ether, Dogecoin, Ethereum, amongst others. The collapse of two crypto exchanges in Turkey during the week also dampened sentiments. So the fall in the Bitcoin, however, was much smaller as compared to returns offered by the digital currency in the near term, and the crypto coin has delivered a healthy return of 600% over 1 year period on the back of strong buying by larger investors such as companies and businesses. The digital currency was trading 17% lower than its all-time high of $64,870 as seen on the 28th of April, and the Bitcoin price had hit record highs on 14th of April 2021 on the day of Coinbase Global Inc.'s share listing on the US Stock Exchange. Now, last month, Bitcoin's price had crossed $60,000 after Elon Musk's Tesla announced to buy 1.5 billion of the digital currency for its balance sheet. Given the growing popularity of Bitcoin among large investors and companies, the digital currency is expected to become a mainstream payment method. Recently, PayPal allowed its US consumers to use their cryptocurrency holdings to pay at its online merchants globally, a move which is likely to be followed by several other companies. And thanks for your time watching. If you like this information, please like, share and comment on the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to be notified of our latest videos, and for regular updates and information, log on to the website kalkinemedia.com. And this is Sage for Kalkine Media.